Hi, my name is Rodel A, and I just purchased the Vibe Extreme Light 245 BHS. I just like the way the front cap looked and all the stuff it came with, you know, convenient for me and my family, and the capacity, sleeping capacity. It was a referral from my cousin. So he purchased from here. Actually, two of my cousins have purchased from here. Jonathan, cool dude. He's the salesman. Michael, and I'm just kidding. Michael, he was a cool dude as well. Went in there, you know, all the paperwork ready. It was a breeze. Now we're finally at the walkthrough and installing the hitch and everything, and hopefully I'm off. Yes, I would recommend DDRV. It's convenient. It has a convenient Southern California location next to the 405 freeway, easily accessible to all cities in Southern California. Hi, my name is Rodel, and I bought my Vibe at DDRV.